To figure out what kind of
Okay, well... I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm not fine. I'm not fine. I'm not fine. I'm going, I'm leaving, I'm leaving. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. This gift idea is for those with a specific gaming interest. Phasmophobia came out this past September and is currently one of my favorite games to watch people play. So I thought I would try and make something Phasmophobia inspired. Decor, art, Tchochkes, something like that. And this is what I did. I started with some figurines I picked up at the thrift store. This one had a 10 on the bottom of the dress, and I didn't really want that. So I put on some safety glasses, grabbed a pair of pliers, and broke it off. You have to wear safety glasses for this. I really recommend it because these little bits of porcelain went flying in every direction, and the last thing anyone needs is glass in their eyeball. Once that was done, I put on 2 coats of black acrylic paint. Added some red eyes, and maybe some blood streaks. Kinda looks like Pennywise. Then a coat of clear varnish to keep it from chipping. Very important because the acrylic paint will chip off these little figurines. And this one's done! So cute, sort of. I added a little bloody handprint to the bottom of her dress for detail. Next, I have this larger figurine I actually got for free because her hand was busted off. So most of the monsters in the game have a really rotten and twisted face on them. And usually a weapon or two, like a scythe or maybe an axe. So I tried to make a scythe out of some scrap plastic I had. I cut myself out a decently sized circle, and then I cut a crescent shape out of the plastic, with kind of a little bit of a handle on it, so that's going to be my scythe blade. I put a bead of hot glue around the back to help enforce it, and that's my weapon. Now to the main event. I cut some of this 2-part epoxy clay a few years ago for another project that I never finished, so I'll use it here. I mixed equal parts together till there was no streaks, and then started to pretending I knew what I was doing when it came to sculpting. Thankfully, these ghosts and ghouls mostly have rotting, deformed faces, so I'm just gonna poke some eyes where the eye sockets would normally be, a nose holes, and a broken, rotten mouth. I added length to the fingers to make them more pronounced and unnatural. I added chunks of hair to kind of add a little bit more texture to this otherwise very smooth and pristine Tchochke thing. I tried to make a new hand holding the scythe blade. Kind of worked. Like I said, I'm not a sculptor. some feet bones. I put these two little snakes of clay on her arm and tried to smooth it out, leaving the center rough and ragged, as if the skin has been ripped and pulling back, exposing the flesh underneath. To add some more detail, I added this small piece here to represent the bone. Then I did the same thing with the arm, adding another ring around it, smoothing it down to represent the flesh and the leg where it's been peeled back. Then I went in with another layer to make it look as if the dress has been ripped open and you can see the whole leg. It kind of worked. I think I should have added more folds in it, but next time. I added another little tear to the dress and a fold on the other side for a bit more texture. Painting was super fun. I added 2 coats of black just to get everything the same consistency. The rotting skin I made with a mixture of black, brown, and green. A little heavier on the green. I put black in the eye sockets and the nostrils, and a little red in that broken smile. I left the paint unmixed and streaky so it would have different textures, as if some parts of the skin are more rotten than the others. The ripped flesh gets red, skin brown and green. The bones get a little bit of white paint to make them stand out. I painted the dress a darker gray to give it a bit more contrast from the rock that she's sitting on. Then I coated the entire thing in sealant. And voila! What do you think? Are they creepy enough? Spooky enough? I'm not sure where to put this DIY project. Do I put it under Christmas or do I put it under Halloween? I'll just put it under both. This third figurine I picked up a couple of days ago, and she was writing in a notebook. So one of the clues in the game is to see if they will do any ghostwriting. So here I painted her solid black except for her notebook, gave her some red eyes, as she scribbles out a little love letter to the ghost hunters. Well, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think, and hopefully I'll see you soon for the next one. Bye!